Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We're going to make a vegetable mix. It's a bunch of vegetables I like. I throw them together, and then we eat it. That's it. We start with 2 cups of water, and I put it, get a good size saucepan. I use this, and I'm going to put it in there, and then I have a vegetable broth mix, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of it. Put it in there and bring it to the boil. That's what we have to do first. Come on over. I'm going to turn it to medium high. Okay, pour the water in. And I put in just 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of my Seidenbacher vegetable broth mix. The vegetable broth is boiling. Now keep in mind you can use your own vegetable broth if you make it. We're going to add a cup of chopped onion. Get it all. Then you're going to use, it's a coleslaw mix that they have in the store. You can go anywhere and find it. Your local grocery store, Trader Joe's, wherever you want to go. That's what I'm putting in, 2 cups of it. Actually, it's 3 cups. So 3 cups of coleslaw mix. Into it goes. Now these go in first because they're harder vegetables and they need to cook for a couple of minutes before I put in everything else. And then we're going to put in some shredded carrot, which is half a cup. If you want to chop these up instead of shredding them, you can do that as well. This is your mixed vegetable. Stir it up good. Now put the lid on, bring it to a boil again, cook it for 2 minutes. That's it. When the 2 minutes are up, put in 2 teaspoons each of parsley and Italian spices. 2 teaspoons of each one. And then stir it up again. Get those spices in there. Now, if there are other spices that you like, there's not going to be any salt and pepper in this. If you want to put salt and pepper in, do it, but I'm not putting any in. Next thing, you've got 4 cups each chopped spinach. I got this from Trader Joe's. And get baby spinach and put that in as well. And I turn it down to a medium heat. This looks like a lot, but because it's a leafy green, it's gonna cook down. And this is gonna cook for 7 minutes. My last vegetable is just chopped zucchini. This is a cup. And sprinkle that on the top. Now these don't cook very long, don't take long to cook. So I'm only going to cook for another 3 minutes. Stir them in. Here's our mixed veggies. They are hot. But one of the things I want to tell you, I know it's summer. If you're in a scorching hot place with, and don't forget to turn your stove off, scorching hot heat, then you can't do this right now. Wait until the weather's cooler. But if you can, I just want to tell you, even when you have to wait, I want to tell you that this tastes really, really good cold with your favorite dressing on it. Like an Italian dressing, something light. It tastes really good with that. Or if you just want to put a little vinegar on it. It's going to put it in a little bowl. I know it's good, so I'm going to get just a little taste. See if I can get everything on the fork. But I'll blow on it first. This is a nice helping for me. It's like having a small salad, but getting in your vegetables, and you're getting in quite a few. I'm going to take another little tiny bite, but this is good. This is really, really, really good. If you like vegetables, it's good. It's excellent. If you don't like vegetables, try it anyway, because vegetables are good for you, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. And don't forget to smile, because this is 2023, the year of the smile. From Berta J to her troopers and anybody else who watches. Okay? Bye for now.